Okay, it's rolling. Got a microwave here today that Andrew brought. We're gonna freaking just take good parts out of it and then take it back and destroy it. Alright, well it's gonna be hard to get to that because this is kind of bent. Get this. Oh, it's dented.
Who gives a
Wonder
shit?
how that happens.
Oh, it must have been from kicking it. And
Oh, now it's ruined because I ripped one of the terminals off.
Yeah, there you go. You got the fan right there. Keep the copper though. Fancy way to get
I don't
the
like
copper.
these capacitors. They got like, usually they hold 2,000 volts. Come on, give it to me.
You do it right.
Not more runs in the copper.
It's a little bent.
No.
There. It's mid.
One. The other one. And just to be safe. Okay. There is no current in that.
Fucking just stab it in, you get zapped.
It would kill me.
That's a bad day right there.
Yeah, those would kill you. Freaking wire went off! Why is this so bent?
So I just kicked the shit out of it and hit it with a golf club a few minutes ago.
Made room. This is the thing that really gives us fun.
Oh,
Idiot.
there goes the fuse.
Really?
Yeah.
Screw off. The hell? God, did they want this to not fall apart or what?
It's high quality.
Look at it.
Watch out.
Oh! I ripped another terminal.
It's high quality.
I hate these connectors.
Factory maintained.
Yes. I think it's still good. There we go. Got the transformer out of it. This thing is 2,000 volts. Oh yeah. I ripped that freaking terminal right off.
There goes 53.
Yeah. Yeah, I might have to put that terminal back on, but anyway, I just put it like that. There we go, perfect.
Freaking safety glass.
That stuff blew up.
I wish the video would have got that.
Yeah. Let me make sure it's still in the camera. Take care of it. Oh, okay. Here's a capacitor. High voltage capacitor. 2,100 volts. Wow, that's quite a bit. What else we get? Oh, magnetron.
What else is it?
This is bent, so I can't get to the other side.
Here, I'll kick it in the bed.
Hold on. I might be able to get it out. That was hot, Andrew. Was that?
I think that did it.
There we go, now I can get to it. Oh, a light bulb. It's a broken light bulb now. Oh, that's tight.
I'm just gonna go all out when we beat the shit out of it out back. I'm just gonna throw it at a tree.
There's pieces of a power supply back there I wrecked a couple years ago. Still.
Throw it at a tree, hit it with a golf club. Perfect. It'll be good.
This thing, believe it or not, if we just take it and feed it power right now, we will die. It'll give us cancer. This is what does the actual microwaving. It's called the magnetron. It's pretty cool though how they make these things. Inside here is like a bunch of little arcs and crap made in China. Good magnetron. Nice. Wow. Like football and porno and books about war. You know what? Yeah, football.
You do it properly.
What the hell is that?
A fuse. The fuses don't like to stay.
What the fudge, dude? This won't come out. Oh! I just crushed it with my hand.
What did you get, zapped?
No, I just crushed the light bulb with my hand.
Oh.
So you get any glass on it, that's good. Little capacitors. Alright, you know what? This is when we go all back.
Yep.
Wait, I'm gonna get this. Okay. Bring it out back. I'm gonna smash the ever-living balls off of it. Grab a golf club. I'll bring the camera with me. I'm gonna try and sweep some of this up so it doesn't look like we totally destroyed the joint. Oh! Jesus, don't do that here. I figured out why this stopped
Left
working.
a hole.
See that right there?
Yeah.
Those are arc marks. This magnetron's ruined. That's why it stopped working. Did it make any loud buzzing noises when it stopped working?
Blew up and started smoking.
That's that magnetron. It arced inside the magnetron, so it's wrecked. It's destroyed. So let's go. Bring our golf clubs. Bring the camera. And I should have left that cord on so I could just drag it out back.
Take the golf club up here.
Alright. Let's go out the back door. Why is that there? Now I gotta make a trek out back over to where the field is. And we're gonna destroy it. Just be interesting, huh? Look at that, that's gross. Really?
Oh, you want to lick the blown up soup?
Yeah, look at that. That's nasty.
You lick the soup?
You should lick it. You should lick the soup off there before you ruin it.
If you give me $20, I'll do it.
You know what? Me and Hudson shook on something. We shook on Hudson giving me $30 for if tomorrow at lunchtime, if I just sprint through the door yelling, "I got penetrated." He's gonna give me $30 for it. In front of the teachers and everything at lunchtime.
That's different.
Oh, the tarp's coming off. There's a piss bite frame. That's for sale. Oh, a tree came down here.
Ready, 'cause when we come up here, I'm gonna throw it at a tree.
Okay. We're gonna do it up here in the field. Throw it at this tree right here that I used to bring the pit bike around. There's mud right there. Alright, just huck it at that tree right there. Alright, bring it over here. Broken? Oh, not at all. Go ahead. Well, I'm gonna bring this up some. So that way it gets a better. Oh, that's, yeah, oh, that's the thing for the magnetron I was telling you about. What the hell? Ew. Now. Alright, it's in the viewfinder. Let's smash it.
I know I'm gonna get a comment for that on YouTube for missing. Watch out, it's gonna go flying.
Oh. Look at that. Perfect.
Mint.
couldn't slug me through it.
My hands are freaking soupy now.
Wait, hold on.
Wrist going up in the air.
Alright.
This is safe.
Oh, it's not in the viewfinder anymore. Here. I'm gonna toss it up in the air.
I'm gonna slug it.
Yummy!
Look at these wires. Look at these wires. No!
Look at frisbee. Look at it. It's all the way over there.
And here are the wires that I brutally just ripped out. These wires. Alright, watch out, because I'm going to slug this thing.
Oh, pieces.
Oh, damn it.
Keep missing it. Bring it closer over here. We're starting to get too far away. Just throw it.
No. Alright, good. It's gonna get beat.
Oh, that was loud.
You want the fan cover?
Ow, my ears.
Yeah, do the fan cover. Here, take this thing. Hold it like that. Yeah, hold it like that. Okay, you go.
It won't stay up.
Bend it a little. There we go.
There we go.
Watch out.
Perfect. Hold on. Wait.
Ready?
Wait, hold on. Go ahead. Yeah, sometimes it does hurt.
No, the freaking golf club like it's vibrating. Put a hole inside of it.
Look, you put a hole in this.
Who, me?
Yeah, look, right there.
Oh yeah. That hurt.
Wait, I want to make sure it's still in the viewfinder. Okay, hit it as hard as you can. Here, use this. This one does more damage.
Ow. Oh, sweetie. Throw it up in the air.
Yeah, yeah, do whatever. What the hell?
We should give him more tree destruction.
Oh no, my club's coming apart.
That wasn't for me, I can tell you that right now.
No, I think I'm gonna hit something.
Ouch! Short! Get him at a shot at the tree.
Alright. Go ahead.
On it, come back and hit.
Throw it as hard as you can against the tree. Hey, let me try that.
Oh,
dude, that's a perfect position.
a little bit.
No, it's not.
Oh, here comes Nick.
This is perfect position, Andrew. You take that. Look at the wall. I don't think so.
Oh no. change the camera angle.
Hold on, wait. Alright, we're good. Oh! Ow! It's actually pretty hard if you kick the inside. It curled it right over. Look at that hole right there.
You're doing it wrong.
Look at all these wires. Let's make a pile of crap so we don't have glitter all over the place.
Alright. She's a
Spring thing. What's left in the fuse?
Yep. That came out quick.
Look at that.
Yeah, I just did that.
Let's hit the back of it. See if we can dent it really bad.
That part's hollow and it hurts. We're gonna try and make this come apart.
Alright, do it.
It worked.
Perfect. Oh, dude, that's the turntable motor. It's cooling now.
Here's the turntable motor.
Watch out. Ooh, I went through it. I felt it go through. Yeah, look.
Dude, that's actually
Look at that. Went right through it. Wrecked the turntable motor.
doing it all wrong.
Oh, look. Yeah, you see the insides of it.
Uh-oh.
Look at that. It's kind of damaged.
Man,
It's got thermostat.
where?
Right there. You know, a little black thing.
Hit it.
There you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, I broke my golf club. When did that break? Oh, there it is. Oh, I have to
Man.
weld it back on. I broke my golf club. Look at that. You know how many golf clubs I've broken? Like
Over
5.
10.
Like 5.
We should give him more entertainment. Let's throw that tree a couple more times.
This is bad. You know what I have to do? I'll bring this up, I'll put a piece of angle iron here, and I'll weld this thing back together. Make it really strong. That way it'll be the indestructible golf club. But for now, all we have is this. Ow, that hurts.
I told you, it vibrates to the pole and it like hurts.
Yeah. Ow! Oh! Oh no!
I wish the camera would have got that.
I bent it. Well, let's do more tree destruction. What do you...
Ready?
Yeah. I think Nick's trying to get me a ride with him. He's going up and down the road. Do more tree destruction? Alright.
Yep.
Which one? Oh, that twin tree thing over there? I zoomed in. Oh. Oh, dude, look at these.
Maybe take some tree branches.
Yeah, just toss it. Yeah. Still going. That's good. That's awesome.
There we go.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, the thing needs anti-shock handles or something.
Get your metal back. What the hell? Look at it, it's like an M now.
He's in perfect condition.
It's good.
You give this a couple hits.
Alright.
I gotta fix my golf club now. Broke it.
Far ranges.
Look at that hole on the back of that thing. Looks like a spade. Oh, golf club. Look what I did to the other one. This metal's starting to get kind of weak.
good for it. That sounded like a friggin' shotgun. I think this club's gonna break. Well, if it breaks, don't get over near me. Don't want to freaking fly and golf the big thing.